before installing center, it is good to install the GeoDataSync plugin. So we have downloaded it to our desktop and we start the installer. Just follow the standard setup here. You need admin privileges to run the installation, of course. And then the plugin is done installing. Then we proceed with installing the center client. Again, you need admin privileges. And these two pieces of software are of course to be installed on the client machine, not on the license server. The default installation path, you can of course edit that. Or you can keep the default one. Just wait with launching this, as there is a tiny bit of final setup that is needed to be done. So after having installed it, go to the installation folder of the center software and locate your setup info.txt file. You can open it and just verify that the file path is the same as the installation folder, and you can do the same for the deploy list txt file. There should be a refresh connection line and then file path to the center.exe file. If that is good, then you copy the setup info file and you go to where the Petrel is installed. Under extensions, ArcCLS and GeoDataSync deploy. There is already a setup info text file here. You just overwrite that with the text file that we have provided. Now you are ready to run both Petrel and center.